Hi, Vance. Huwag mo na sabihin kay Jay, mas magaling pa. You're both good and you're a good writer and also good leader. And I'm sure na magiging successful ka. Tsaka yung mga, let's say, yung mga followers mo dun sa next office mo will be really enjoy yung leadership.
Hey guys, just want you to know that you're an instrument of God. I'm been so down, and then I think God has really used you to make me strong. So, and your prayers are so effective. And I'm here, nakatayo. So I'm gonna miss you, and keep on burning for the Lord.
Someone has to fill your shoes in during the town hall, but I guess you have to settle for Mike. Joke lang, Mike. Wish you all the best. Good luck with everything at your work and with your family as well.
Saan na nanggaling yung idea mo? Yes!
Hi guys! Good luck sa bagong work. Sana hindi ka na umang years kung pwede lang. Tapos, ayun, thanks sa lahat.
Pero hindi siya dapat mag-found or previous crush. I protest. Ay, oo. Huwag panabanin ang dapat may copyright na to para hindi niya na uulitin sa iba. Kung gusto niya sumali, pumunta siya Makati. Hi guys! Thanks for the advices and thanks for being that happy person around. Kahit na minsan it's too happy, parang hindi normal. And I hope that you're happy with the new job and with your new 4 inches. Really missing you.
Hey guys! I'm in the pantry, your favorite place. Ako, wala na rin pala mag-park in front of my house. So, we'll be missing you around, seeing you around. But wherever you are, do keep in touch and then good luck with whatever your next endeavor is. And wish you the best.
Tsaka siya yung sumasayaw pag galing sa office. Hindi nakaka-enjoy. Poor door. Defenseless poor door.
Yes.
Good luck, girls. Ciao.
Anyways, we're gonna miss our MS breaks. With guys.
At ang kanyang mga
Pepsi.
pamimirata sa
MCS.
ang kanyang mga team for MS at ang kanyang GR cap.
Wala ba siya
Corduroy jacket na brown and the green and yellow
Yes.
Gazib na to.
I remember my first day at Recruit Hotels took me to my first lunch, and that I will never forget. I guess even if you're not here with us at the office, it's so easy to get in touch with you and to be near you. Wherever you go, whatever you may be doing, or plan to do in the future, I wish you well. Keep smiling. I won't forget the balloon by the way. Thanks.
Wala na mag-host ng town hall. Oh my gosh.
Wala na, boring na ulit.
Wala na Jeopardy?
Ganun ka?
Deal? Or no deal?
Deal or no deal? Sabi smile ng malaki.
French in every ways. Kasi spiritually, pag hihingin ka favor, magdadasal ka niya, sabi mo, dadalaw ka lagi. Kaya, ayun, good luck talaga. Super.
Good luck sa iyong bagong PR career.
PR ka?
At ang client niya ay Philip Morris. So,
Dapat yata ako yung gano'n, diba? Hindi siya. So, good luck.
Good luck.
Ako guys, I'm a little sad that you are leaving. Mainly because we did not have much time to bond together. I know and I trust and I'm confident that for better yung move na gagawin mo para sa career mo and for your family. But I know that the friendship that we have begun will not end. Dahil sa pag-alis mo, it will continue. Physical distance lang naman yung maa-add. Dahil IT nga tayo, masyado nang madaling mag-communicate ngayon. So, let's keep in touch.
In fairness ha, malaki account. Yes.
More power to you.
More babies. More babies. Twins, triplets, and quadruplets.
We expect invitations to the baby shower.
Yes. Baptism, birthdays.
Gans is very good because kasi magaling siya mag-MC because he was the MC in my wedding. He's very good in
making ad-libs, and talagang he's really good in his craft with writing and being very creative. He's also good pal when it comes to doing Christian stuff, and he's always been a mentor for me because lagi siya nakaka-inspire doing the good works.
Namiss ko si Gabs. Pag-break time.
I miss ko yung si ko. Very emotional yung buwan.
Lipat ka na naman daw ng pwesto.
Alright. Hi guys. Thanks na sa mga pinayo mo sa akin, mga tulong mo, everything. Matatandaan ko yun. And then, of course, gagawin ko yung mga sinasabi mo sa akin.
Okay, so it's my turn to talk. Listen very closely, you smarty pants. I don't really care if you're leaving. And if you think this decision will make you succeed in the future, you're definitely mistaken. Okay, seriously. I'm gonna miss you. Okay? I'm gonna miss your wit and charm. I'm gonna miss your friendship.
Yun, nangis ka namin. Wala nang maingay. Wala nang hindi sayaro. Nangis na ka-lalang-lalang yung ilaw. Nakiatrasan mo kay Ate Gans.
Wala na si Mimi. Tatama na ako.
Look, Gans.
Hello, Gans. Utak pa kaming pizza sa'yo. Ibigay namin yung product.
Sana. Yeah.
Mag-working diet. Oo, mag-working
Sana
diet.
tutuloy mo na yun. Tapos, I wish you girls.
Si Gans, sobrang siya personal and approachable. Palagi siya nandyan sa'yo. Yan. Yun. Kami i-organize na yung magpapakainin. Talagang masarap siya kasama kasi hindi ka niya iiwanan sa areas. Lalo na nung nalaman niya preggy ako. Talagang mega asikaso siya sa akin.
And all your religious and biblical philosophies. Yeah, kasi guys.
Mag-update naman siya sa vlog niya.
Yeah.
So, pwede pa natin
Dapat update.
catch up.
Pero sige, pagbigyan na lang natin. If you want to vlog about restaurants in Ortigas, sige, pwede na rin.
Pwede na din.
Pwede na rin.
I wish you well wherever you're going. I know you'll do very well. I've seen your work and I think it's like what he says, with excellence. So, good luck with everything.
I've said too much. And I'm gonna leave in 1 second.
If you wanna be a lover.
Give him time.